Ayushman Palit, Class 2A. On Environment Day, I am going to recite the poem, Save Earth, Save Future. This poetry is all about the earth. Earth is the dear mother. But what we are doing with the mother? We are cutting down the trees. We throw garbage on the road. We are polluting the air. So ultimately, we are destroying our future. Let's save it by plant more trees. Save water. So here is the poem. Pipes are crying because it's not clean. Earth is dying because it's not green. Earth, our dear mother, don't pollute it. She keeps us food and shelter. Just salute it. With global warming, it's in danger. Let's save it by becoming a strong ranger. With dying trees and animals, the sorrow. Make green today and tomorrow. With melting snow, one it will sink. How can we save it? Just think. Trees are precious. Preserve them. Water are treasure. Preserve them. Plant more trees. Make our Mother Earth queen. Reduce pollution. Make